guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to my channel. So today, if you haven't read the title, what are you doing? But if you did, I'm going to do another episode of Wreck This Journal. This will be episode number 5, and so yeah, welcome back. But if you're new here, hello, how are you doing? Go down below and subscribe to my channel, thank you. And if you've been here, hello, hi, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started and continue wrecking this wonderful journal. So as you see here, this is how the journal is looking like today, and I'm pretty much almost done, so only a couple more episodes of this Wreck This Journal. So today, let's go ahead and start with the pages that I'm going to do. Here's the first page, and it says to smash something colorful onto this page. So I was thinking of getting like different acrylic paints and like swirl these acrylic paints around on this page and then smash the book together, and that's how I'm going to smash the colors on this page. So let's go. So easily open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Baby, open up to me. So this next page is an odd one. I mean, every page of this book is kind of odd, but it says while you are out for a walk, scrape this page on variety of natural surfaces as you go. So I'm gonna go outside and scrape this page against the house and different surfaces outside. So let's go outside again. The next page, I come to my favorite ones where I get to choose how I wreck this page. Sometimes it's cool, sometimes it's not. So I gotta have my creative juices flowing again, and I got to figure out how I'm gonna wreck it. So let's see. Only me. Hey. Only me. Hanging on. Okay, so the next page is really says to collect dead bugs, but if you don't know me, like really know me, I don't like bugs, and I definitely don't want to pick up some dead bugs. Like, come on. So I'm gonna skip that page. Skip. And the next one, the one that I am going to do, it says to fill the entire page with words you see in your adventures. So I've been out today, and I'm gonna write some words that I remember, and I'm gonna put them in a creative little writings. And so yeah, not very interesting. Page could be better, but let's go ahead and do it. Give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easy. The next one, it says to turn this page black. The first thing I thought of was just getting some black paint and slap that stuff on, but it says using items you found in the world. I mean, I don't see too many black things just around in the world, so you know, another way. This week's episode is really challenging me to be really creative, like I am usually, but you know, today is not the day. But yeah, let's do something. Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Don't leave me. Hey. Don't Okay, so this next page, I did read this before, prepare myself kinda before I started this video. And this next page, it says, this page is a work in progress. Add something from every environment you visit in today. So I mean, I didn't go too much places today, and so I went for a walk. So I add some leaves in here like always, and I also went to the store. I might add the bad lottery ticket that I went on in here. Like, just gonna add some stuff in there that I experienced with today. I didn't do much today, so it's not gonna be much in here. And like I said, it's work in progress. So yeah, that is the last page that I'm gonna do for this week.
Easily open up your eyes and see.
Okay, you guys, I really hope you like this week's episode. I thought this week's episode really challenged me to really strive to do something new and to do something more creative than I have done. And if you like this video, go down below and give me a like or subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out. But also, if you are in the 5th episode and you're like, where's 1 through 4? Like, I have them. Go down below in the description box and the video and see the playlist, or even up on top of the video. Throughout the video, you'll see some of the episodes up there if you catch them. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See all the other videos that I do in the week. I just don't do this. I do a lot of other things, so me. I'll catch you back next week with another Wreck This Journal. Hopefully I remember to do it, and hopefully this video goes out this week. If not today, which is Thursday, it will be out tomorrow, which is Friday. So yeah, regardless, it will be out this week, I promise. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you back next week. Bye.